Welcome back, guys. Thought I'd do a quick video on an idea for the side door. So it's raining outside, you still want your side door open a bit. The issue is you've got no rain gutter along the side of the van, and then rain drips in from the seal because it comes down the side of the van, comes around to the seal, drops in your van. You don't really want that. So you can buy the rain gutters for the side of the van. A lot of them are the rubber with the 3M sticky tape, and just stick it on. They are quite expensive. The one I was looking at was about £45, and it was quite bulky and it just looked a bit of an eyesore. Didn't like it. So one idea you can do instead of going down that route, which is a lot cheaper, which I like doing, is use a bit of tile trim. So this you can get from Toolstation, B&Q, Screwfix. I think I got you some Screwfix, and obviously you can get different colours. I went for black because I got black decals. So you've got the U shape, and then this sticks to the van. Cut all the pattern off it so it goes back to this solid black line, and then you have a decent amount to glue onto the side of the van, which is good. I used the CT1 in black, the sealant adhesive. You can use Sikaflex or anything like that. I just went for the CT1 because I was there at the time and it was black. So simply cut the backing off and stick it on. I think it comes in about a 2.5 metre length, 2.4 metres maybe, but this is what I've got left of the piece that I had over my side door. I've overhung it slightly both sides just so it runs off away from the side door, and I've also slightly arched it in the middle, so if rain does fall onto it, it runs either side rather than just congregating in the middle and then falling over. So along the bottom of this as well, so where this is on the van, underneath here, I've also added a bit of clear sealant adhesive, just a chunky bead, so then that stops the rain from coming over and then dripping in still. I've done that in the last van. I didn't use one of these, I just used the sealant along the bottom. That worked, but it looked a bit of an eyesore, and when anybody was putting their hands on the top to get into the van and stuff, they were knocking it. So I've gone for that idea this time, and I've had the van door open. It's worked fine. You still get your side door wet, you'll always get that anyway, but it's to stop the rain coming in. So I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. I hope that idea can be of some help to some people. It's one of those things where you didn't know you had an issue until you see a solution for it. So, but that's helped us, and I would recommend it if you haven't got a rain gutter. Cheap, cheerful, and it does actually do the job. So I hope that helps, and I suppose it's better carry on with the van build. Take care all.